So the trail we're going to is right down there, the end of this road. But so we're gonna be going right through those woods and somewhere out over there by a field, a soccer field. I've actually played a soccer game at that field before, so. But most likely we're gonna go over there and then follow up, but we'll go by, you'll go by a trail, we'll go on a trail that's by the road until we get back over here from over there, actually. It's like a big loop that we're gonna do. All right. By the way, I just started mountain biking, so yeah, I'm okay at this. Some of the stuff I'll have to get off my bike and walk. It's pretty. Oh, car back.
Yeah. Alright, you ready?
Yep. So this is the trail that we're doing. It's a big network of trails. This is a pretty nice trail, though. I fell.
Did you see that log?
Yeah, we're gonna go the same way as usual.
Pretty much. Yeah.
Okay. Next time I get to a log like that, I'm gonna see if I can jump, like do what I normally do, bunny hop.
Yeah, you got bunny hop.
I completely forgot to bunny hop on that one when I fell. It was fun.